Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create a Lambda function with the AWS console. So let me just quickly log on to the Amazon console and take it from there. I'm into the Amazon console. So in this video we will see how to create a Lambda function using the AWS Lambda console. And next we will manually invoke the Lambda function using the sample event data. AWS Lambda executes the Lambda function and returns result. I will search for the service. See the subheading, run code without thinking of the servers. Let you run code without thinking about servers. You pay only for the compute time that you consume. When the servers, then the functions are in action. So I will create a function. I would use my function. So it creates a node.js function and an execution role that grants the function permission to upload logs. Lambda assumes the execution role when you invoke your function and uses it to create credentials for the SDK. So you can create any type of function here. You can use .NET Core, Go, Java, Python, Ruby, other supported functions. We'll go with the default, which is not. We'll go with default node.js. Here it is. I would click on create function. My role name for your new role name. It will take few minutes. The new role will be scoped to the current function. To use it with the other functions, you can modify it in the IAM console. So my Lambda function, the name of my Lambda function is my function is created successfully. Here it is, my function. And select the Amazon CloudWatch logs to view the log related permissions that we execute logs to function. So this is the permission that has been granted to my account. It will create the log group, log stream, and put log events for this Lambda function. The console that you're seeing is the design. We call it as a designer. So now my function is the designer to return to the function's code. For scripting languages, Lambda includes sample code that returns a success response. You can edit the function code with the embedded AWS Cloud9 editor. So this is the Cloud9 editor. So this is the normal code, the index.js file in the my function, but we can edit the code using the node.js. So it is the hello from Lambda. It is just the normal code, hello for Lambda. And you can edit, you can add the environment variables, tags, role settings, network, error handling, auditing, concurrency. So if I say, now we'll have to invoke this Lambda function. To invoke, in the upper right corner, you see this test button. Click on test. It says event template is hello world. Create a new. I have to, in the configure test event, we'll choose create a new test event, and in the event template, we'll leave the default to hello world. Let's say event name. So we'll name event 1. Click on create. So you can create n number of events, and then you can test that particular event. So it is executing fine Lambda functions. Succeeded. If you go for details, the area below shows the result returned by the function execution and the detail. Right, it is the result section. Summary is the key information reported in the log output section of the report line in the execution log. So if I run this Lambda function few times and cancel this, scroll down, sorry, monitoring was just right here. Choose monitoring. We should see some logs because we executed the Lambda function few times. If you do not see that, so if you execute Lambda functions multiple times, then you would be able to see the metrics, invocations, duration, the error cloud. So this was the brief video on how to create a Lambda function using the console. We'll cover a few concepts related to Lambda in the next video. Till then, have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.